Guys, it's your girl Leandria back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. I did a glowy a summer glowy look. It's easy. You can definitely do this every single day because it takes about 15-20 minutes, so it's like super easy, super simple. Side note, I know everybody is tired of seeing my pink nails because I am too, but my nail girl, she just informed me that she's going on a trip to Mexico for the next 3 weeks, and you know what I'm saying, and I asked her, I was like, is there any way that you could reschedule the vacation, like cancel? Is there any way out of that? Can I go with you? Like, what can we do, So long story short, after going back and forth, my nail appointment isn't until August 16th. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, excuse the nails, okay? Because I'm suffering here. I'm suffering, okay? Anyway, go ahead, check out my video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Let your friends know about me. And also hit that little bell so you'll be notified when my videos drop. So I'm taking Rimmel London's Lasting Foundation Primer and putting that all on my face. Now I normally use a matte primer, but like I want that like glowy look, so I'm gonna use my Lancome foundation today in the color 540W, and I'm gonna blend it with a beauty blender because the beauty blender kind of gives it like a lightweight kind of, it gives it a lightweight. Like, we don't want like super, oh damn, is it recording? Oh, it is. Like, we don't want like super full coverage today. This is like a summer glowy makeup situation. So I'm just gonna dab my beauty blender with this and then press it on. So I'm just gonna take a brush and the same foundation to carve out my brows really quick. Okay, and then we'll just take the same beauty blender and blend that out. Okay, so I don't know if you notice a difference, but it's like a lighter coverage, like when you just actually put the foundation on the beauty blender and then press it on, as opposed to like using a brush. So now we have like a light glowy look going on. So we're gonna use some concealer now. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, but we're just going to set it in a different way. I think I'm gonna use two different concealers today because you don't want to look too heavy and you don't want it to be like super obvious that you're wearing makeup, so skin is the major focus, not cake today. So blending that out with the same beauty blender, just using a different side. So instead of setting my concealer with translucent setting powder, which is kind of heavy, it looks kind of cakey, I'm gonna take Becca's foundation powder in the color Warm Honey, and we're just gonna take the beauty blender as well and just kind of press that powder in, as opposed to baking, if that makes sense. Fix powder in the color NW50 to contour. Then I'm going to use that on the side of my nose. We're not going to do too much here. Here we go. Snap that nose a little bit. Okay, and now for the eyes, we're just going to use some mascara and, of course, lashes. Okay, now we're adding mascara to these little bitty old lashes of mine, and then we're going to add some bomb lashes. No eyeliner, just something simple, you know. Okay, so now I got some lashes on, and we're gonna use some setting spray. Lock that whole look in. Favorite part is some highlighter, Poshmetics, in the color Queen of the Queen. Take a fluffy brush. And then just kind of press that highlighter in really good. Now I'm gonna take, now that we got our highlight popping, so I'm gonna take Chestnut to line my lips, and then you already know my favorite lip gloss. NYX lip lingerie gloss in the color Spirit, of course. I didn't put a lot of that on, but I'm just gonna use the clear gloss. So that was the look. It literally took about maybe 15-20 minutes. I think the longest part was putting these lashes on, but that's a different story. So yeah, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and also let me know what you want to see from me next, and I'll see you again in my next video.